Hello, this is Ryan. I've got my 2019 Royal Enfield Himalayan here. There's not a lot of videos that I've found covering basic repair of these bikes. So my blinker died the other day, also known as a turn signal. So I thought I'd do a quick video on what I learned replacing that. Let's take a look. Alright, so here's the turn signal. To do this, I found I need two things. A screwdriver and a pick. First step, remove the screw in the back. Like that. And then, this is where I screwed up. This thing will still be in here pretty snug, especially on the top. So, I was yanking and twisting and pulling and it wouldn't come out. And that's where I found the pick comes in. There is a little tab right on top that you need to push in to get the top to pull out. Like that. So there's that little tab I was talking about. Now when I did it, I was twisting and pulling and I broke the little pin on that plastic piece. So don't do that. Alright, so once you got the bulb assembly out, the next part is just twist the little back part and this will come off. That leaves you with the bulb assembly and the bulb itself. To get the bulb out, you may want to wear gloves, especially if it's brittle. Otherwise you just push in on the bulb, give it a twist, and out she comes. So there you go. You got the assembly out and the bulb lens. Again, be careful with these little prongs, pretty fragile. And when you pull it out, just be mindful that there's this tab on the top. The bulb itself says it's 12 volts, 10 watts. So I was able to pick this up. Hopefully that does the trick. Well, I hope this was helpful. Hopefully it saves someone from breaking the little plastic bits like I did. Thank you.